Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. All crypto fans and anyone who's just happened to find this video today, you're all welcome. Hope you're having a great day. And today's video is all about Hashflare mining and the quick update and where we're heading with my 1 year mining contract. So if you don't know what Hashflare mining is, it's basically a service that allows you to buy 1 year contracts that go out and mine Bitcoin. As you can see here, SHA-256. They mine other coins as well, Ethereum, and as you can see here as well, they've got other mining services as well. So like I say, I'm kind of looking at Ethereum. Ethereum has been one of those coins that could really push Bitcoin in the near future. So I'm thinking about getting into mining Ethereum as well, because it's the only one that kind of goes against the trend. And it used to mimic Bitcoin not so long ago, in fact, a couple of months back. But it seems to be the rogue coin, but a strong one. You know, it's the second strongest coin out there in terms of ranking at the moment, and I'm really happy with Ethereum. It seems to be more of a marathon runner. You know, it has these big breakouts. It has had those big breakouts, but then it doesn't seem to crash as much. It kind of steadies itself out and finds its own path, which is interesting as well. So anyway, back to the Bitcoin. So yeah, if you don't know what it is, you're basically mining using Hashflare's power and their services to go out and mine Bitcoin for you. You put a fee, you put in whatever amount of investment you want to put in at first. Now you don't get that back, by the way. You have to decide how much you want to put in and then what your goal is, and then decide to choose a strategy. My strategy is to allow this to run, keep reinvesting back into this terahash rate. As you can see, we're up to 13.21 now. Allow that to build up, and then once I'm happy, once I've got to 180 days, I should say, then I'm going to start cashing out. So even now, as you can see, sorry, let's just go. I've done a reinvest today, and that's brought it up to 13.21 terahash. So yeah, like I say, even today, Bitcoin has dropped lately. It's actually gone back up, and we'll look at the charts in a bit. We're currently hovering around the $8,000 mark and just above. So even now, I'm looking at this total here. I've almost more than doubled my money already. So that's the forecast. And like I say, Bitcoin has actually dropped dramatically. It nearly touched 20,000 not so long ago, and now we're down to 8,000, and I've still almost doubled what I've put in by this forecast, and I'm nowhere near the 180 days. So that's the power of Hashflare mining. I really love Hashflare mining, and not just Hashflare. You know, Genesis, and there's another I did a video on it. I can't remember, CCG or GCC or something like that. Go and check out my past videos. It'll be on there. That's quite a new service. They're more expensive, but apparently they've got a lot more power, hash rate power. So maybe that's something to look at as well. I think it's CCG mining, yeah. So I think they're based in Poland. I think somewhere in Eastern Europe, anyway. So I remember the thumbnail actually. It's actually got a map on the thumbnail. It's like a purple background. Anyway, go and check that out. So yeah, just a quick update. Like I say, we're on a really big slump lately, and I'm still happy with my investment. So I've looked at the charts today, and I've just got a funny feeling that we're about to go back on the rise with Bitcoin. I've looked at the volume as well of buying, and we've had two huge spikes in green, which I'll show you in the charts as well. I just think things are about to turn green again for Bitcoin, and we could start seeing a lot of positive movements upwards in the next few weeks and months to come. Maybe I'm wrong, I just don't know, but I think we could be looking at a turn up. I mean, if that happens, we're on 8,000 now. If it goes back to 16, then this obviously should be 8,000. But not only that, I'm reinvesting. So this hash rate's going up. So as you can see, 8,000, it'll be more than that, because I'm nowhere near, like I said, the 180 days yet. So the more I can get this terahash rate up there, and the more Bitcoin turns and starts to rise again, and if it gets to 20,000 before my contract is up, I'll be a very, very happy man. If it pushes past that, who knows? You know what Bitcoin's been like, very volatile, very unpredictable. I did create a video yesterday where I scrolled back on the charts to around about this time every single year for Bitcoin, and it does have a dip. It has had a dip around about this time of year, and then it steadily shoots back up again around about the February, March, or even April time. So really, really happy, a great investment. And the only downside is it's the only yearly contract. I'd love to keep it open a lot longer, but there's nothing stopping you buying a new contract. What you can do, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start cashing out after 180 days, and then whatever price Bitcoin's at, and whatever I'm earning per day, then I'm going to put some aside for a new contract once that yearly contract is up. So that's the Hashflare mining update. Check out the link in the description below to check this out. And remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and go out and do tons and tons of research before investing in anything like this, and the cryptos, Bitcoin, anything else. Anything else that I talk about as well in these videos. Don't do what I do. Like I say, do your own research first before investing, and always invest with what you can afford. So that's it for Hashflare. We'll go over a quickly look at the charts, and then we'll finish up for today, and that'll be today's update. Right, so here we are at tradingview.com. We're on the Bitcoin chart, and like I say, if you can see, look at the size of this volume spike here in green, and then today's as well. We haven't seen this amount of volume for a long, long time. If we go back, probably this one here, 15th of the 9th, 2017. So, even this one, that's quite a big one as well, 7th of the 12th. But anyway, I think, let's just get rid of that. I think you get what I'm trying to say. I've just got, it's just a feeling, but I've just kind of feel now that if we look at this trend here as well, it's gone below that, and with the Chinese New Year obviously will be coming to an end and everything else, we could be on the rise again. So obviously that'd be great news for me and you if you already invested in Hashflare. And yeah, I just got a feeling that we could be forming a head and shoulders. Here's a shoulder here. We've got the head here forming now. And if it comes up to this point here and then does this kind of pattern where it comes down and then we get past this mark here, then I'm going to be really excited. And it could even do a bigger one than that. If it does this here, but trends upwards, comes back down, but obviously comes back down on this side, and then shoots up and beats this mark here, then the rest of 2018, guys, is going to be really exciting. I wouldn't be surprised to see it push. It never actually reached the 20,000, did it? Way back in December 2017. So if it does that, then 20,000 and beyond for me is more than achievable with Bitcoin. It's a crazy, crazy thing, Bitcoin. Like I say, it's very volatile, very unpredictable. That's what I like about it. People are panicking when it's coming down, but when it goes up, it really goes up, as we can see with these two spikes here. So that's it for today's video. Just wanted to finish off by sharing with you what I think Bitcoin's going to do. I've just got that feeling it's going to go up and up now. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong, and I'll hold my hands up. But yeah, I just think it's had its little beat up, it's had its little rundown, and I think people are going to be happy to get back in the game again. But like I say, could be a great opportunity for people again. You know, if it does have this massive run up to this point here, if you get in now, again, no, not financial advice, but if you were to get in now, it shoots all the way back up here, then happy days for you and congratulations to you. Like I say, I'm holding anyway. I'm hodling, I should say. So I'm just waiting for it to return, bounce back up, and then that'd be great. But the thing is, in terms of people that are using lending platforms, then obviously when Bitcoin's going down, you do tend to get those bigger payouts. Not with every single lending site, but with some of them. And I won't mention the one that obviously disappeared recently. So anyway, that's it for today's video. If you found it useful, feel free to chuck a like on the video. That would be really, really appreciated. Again, check out all the links below in the description for more information on anything that I've mentioned today, and there's a couple of other sites as well. All my videos on my channel will help you in terms of getting introduced with Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies and the strategies as well that I talk about in my videos. Feel free to subscribe, feel free to click the bell next to the video just to the bottom right, and you'll get instant notification as soon as I release a future video. Again, been great having you here today. Hope you found this useful and informative, and if you join me on the next one, I look forward to that. Again, great having you here today, and enjoy the rest of your day.